Zucchini corn fritters with bacon. First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Place tomatoes on the tray and spray them with olive oil spray. Season with salt and pepper. Pop in the oven to roast for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the bacon in a non-stick frying pan over high heat for about 2 minutes each side, or until golden brown and crisp. Transfer to a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. For the fritter mixture, place grated zucchini, creamed corn and self-raising flour in a large bowl. Season with salt and pepper and stir until well combined. Spray the frying pan with olive oil spray. Reduce the heat to medium. Add quarter cupfuls of zucchini mixture to the pan. Cook for 2 minutes each side or until golden brown and cook through. Transfer to a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. Continue cooking the zucchini mixture in batches to make 12 fritters. To serve, stack the fritters and bacon on serving plates. These 5-ingredient zucchini and corn fritters make an easy dinner, and they're great for brunch on the weekend too. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more quick dinners, head to our Easy Weeknight playlist here.